The best case is one graphic novel artist out of New York City last year who successfully registered a graphic novel containing illustrations from Midjourney, which she was
Mhm.
very transparent about the fact that she had used Midjourney. She credited Midjourney on the cover of the piece, and she submitted a copyright application for the entire work, pictures, words, layout, and she achieved a registration. And then the Copyright Office learned that the illustrations had been generated by Midjourney, and they canceled her copyright registration. So she got Copyright Counsel involved, who appealed all of this. And the end result was, and where we are today still, is if you have a combined work, you can still own copyright in the human aspect of the work. So her words, her arrangement of the illustrations, she could own copyright in those elements of the finished work. She could not own copyright in the illustrations themselves. So I think that's a great analogy because at the end of the day, most creative work involves multiple layers of copyright when you think about it. If you're a marketer, some of it was your original. You might use stock photography to embellish it. That's somebody else's copywritten work that you acquired I hope acquired a license to use.
Join Matt Bailey as he engages in conversation to find insights beyond the latest headlines and deeper understanding for those involved in marketing.